4 shots of the siding and the under part of the gutters and the soffits that we're going to clean today. There's the soffits and the gutters on the back of the house. And then when I clean it, should be white again, like it never happened. Let's see here, yeah, so we're gonna clean all that and clean this chimney in the top up there. And yesterday we cleaned this patio and this whole back right here, and then both sides are like this, but I think this side's a little worse because it doesn't get as much sun, but still. And then of course the front is brick, and then we'll do an after shot. Thank you. Bye.